Hi, so far you have learned how to create, compile and run a Java program. Now you learn how to solve problems programmatically. Through these problems you learn elementary programming using primitive data types, variables, constants and expressions. To begin, let's look at a simple problem for computing the area of a circle. How do we write a program for solving this problem? Writing a program involves designing algorithms and translating algorithms into code. An algorithm describes how a problem is solved in terms of the actions to be executed and the order of their execution. Algorithms can help the programmer plan a program before writing it in a programming language. Algorithms can be described in a natural language or as pseudocode. The algorithm for this program can be described as follows. First, read in the radius. Second, compute the area using the following formula. Area is equal to the radius multiplied by the radius multiplied by pi. And last, display the area. When you code, you translate an algorithm into a program. The program needs to read the radius entered by the user from the keyboard. And this raises two major issues. The first one is reading the radius and the second one storing the radius in the program. Let's address the second issue first. In order to store the radius, the program needs to declare a symbol called a variable. A variable designates a location in memory for storing data and computational results in the program. A variable has a name that can be used to access the memory location. Rather than using x and y as variable names, you should use more descriptive names, as in our case, for the radius use radius and for the area use area. To let the compiler knows what radius and area are, specify their data types. Java provides simple data types for representing integers, floating points, numbers, and Boolean types. These types are known as primitive data types. The program declares radius and area as variables. The reserved word double indicates that radius and area are double precision floating point values stored in the computer. The first step is to read in radius, but reading a number from the keyboard is challenging, and for now let's skip it and assign a value to the radius. The second step is to compute area by assigning the result of the expression radius multiplied by p equals area. In the final step, display area on the console by using the system.out.println method. We have created our class computeArea with the main method. And now, what do we need to do? We need to declare our variables radius and area. We can do this as a double radius and double area. Now we are going to provide some default value for radius, so you can do this as radius equal 12 for example, and then we need to calculate the area using this formula here. So area equal radius multiplied by pi, which is 3.14159. Okay, now we need to print the area. We can do this with system line. System.out.println, and here we have the area for the circle of radius plus area. If we save this and run it, the area for the circle of radius is 12, is 452 point something. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.